Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Day 2 of our Cybersecurity Awareness Month. 31 days of Cybersecurity Fitness. And day 2. I hope you watched day 1. Did you do your assignment? I kind of hope you didn't. You know why? Because day 2 is going to present a tool or a genre of tools that make it a little bit easier to manage those passwords. So, we're going to talk about password managers very quickly today. You probably heard of them. They are very convenient, but you have to do your due diligence before selecting them. My personal favorite to suggest for personal password management is LastPass. If you have a company, there's other details. Give us a ring, shoot me an email. We'll discuss what those details are because there is some additional criteria that we have to pick at before making a recommendation for those. But if it's just for your personal, LastPass. Now, don't freak out. They had what they considered a bit of a breach. It was really just a software vulnerability, and if you kept things updated, you would have been fine. So, a couple things to talk about though with password managers. Number one, you have to have good hygiene with this. This is not something you stick it somewhere and you forget about it. You have to make sure that the software is updated. The good ones, such as LastPass, will tell you when they need to be updated and will hopefully update themselves by just hitting the update button. Number two, the password that you use, that master password, so incredibly important that is a complex password that is nothing like anything else that you have, that is not based on any personal data, and is not something that's easy for anyone to guess. Extraordinarily important for that to happen. And if by any chance your password management tool uses something called multifactor or two-factor authentication, do yourself a huge favor and throw the switch and enable that from the get-go. Now, another thing that these tools usually have, not my most favorite thing because I really like that phrase thing that I was mentioning yesterday for passwords, but you know, if you got to do it, you got to do it. They have a random password generator, a complex random password generator that they put into these tools, and they can easily create complex passwords for you. Now, the way you use these tools is pretty simple. At face value, you can just go into the tool, select what it's for, and it gives you the values. Some of these tools, such as LastPass, have plugins for your browsers that allow you to sign in via your browser, and then as your web pages come up, it will either autofill those fields for you, or you can press the button to have them fill. So very convenient, very easy, but also you need to use your due diligence with these tools, folks. They are there, but if you miss a beat on that, then you're just giving the bad guys the keys to the entire kingdom. So let's not do that. So I hope you found this interesting and helpful, and please share it so that we can get this kind of word spread and get people to just step it up a bit. And we will see you tomorrow. Good night.